I've been working as a freelance Unity developer for a couple years, creating mainly simulation applications, and although I have created many mini-games in 72 hours, participating in game jams like Dare, for example, I still don't have a project of my own that I can be proud and satisfied with. That's why a few weeks ago I started working on a new first-person resource gathering, crafting and survival game. I'm still not very clear about all the features and mechanics I will implement, but I will surely include the procedural generation of some elements of the world, day and night cycle, inventory, crafting, farming, and character stats such as health, stamina points, hunger, as well as a skill system that allows to get experience and progressively improve the character. The idea is to create an MVP that can provide entertainment for a decent amount of time and publish it on the Play Store for Android devices. Although I will also adapt the same project to work on desktop devices and in virtual reality for MetaQuests. But for that, there's still a lot of work to do. But who knows, if you are watching this video long after I publish it, maybe you can already download my game on Android or try it in virtual reality. Check the description just in case. I will be uploading videos showing the process of this project, so if you are interested, I invite you to watch the complete playlist that I leave here. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you there.